Stories have shaped our world, from ancient myths to modern movies. But what if you could tell stories that captivate, inspire, and move people? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to become a master storyteller. Stories aren't just entertainment, they're how we make sense of the world. They build empathy, convey values, and stick in our memory far better than facts. Every great story follows a structure: beginning, middle, and an end. Think of the classic movie arc: setup, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. This keeps your audience hooked. Characters are the heart of every story. Even in non-fiction, your character could be you. Give them goals, flaws, and emotions people can relate to. No conflict, no story. Whether it's a battle, a breakup, or an inner struggle, tension keeps people engaged. You do that by asking yourself, what's at stake? Don't just say she was sad. Describe the trembling lips, the choked breath. Details don't slow your story, they are in fact what bring it to life. It's one of the oldest writing rules for a reason. Instead of saying he was brave, show him standing tall while everyone else runs. Let actions reveal truth. Your voice is what makes your storytelling unique. Are you witty, poetic, raw, dramatic? It's your fingerprint on the story. Develop it by writing often and reading widely. First drafts are rough. That's normal. Real storytelling happens in the revision: cut fluff, sharpen dialogue, and tighten scenes. Less is often more. Storytelling isn't just writing, it's performance. Read your stories out loud. Notice where you stumble or lose energy. Practice until your words flow naturally. Storytelling is both art and skill. The more you tell stories, the better you become. Share yours, whether it's on a stage, a screen, or with one friend who needs to hear it. Share your favorite storytelling tip in the comments and keep telling your story.